Good Monday night, everybody. This is the 8 p.m. storm update. And a few things to discuss here. You can see our storm is underway down here. Snow is breaking out in Virginia. Let's talk to some of my friends down in Baltimore. Snow's breaking out there. We have a brutally cold air mass, and that's no secret. And, it's a very dry, cold air mass. And, that's something I want to talk about tonight because there is potential here that the areas up here in, say, North Jersey, New York City can bust with this storm. I'm just going to say that. And my totals can be too high. I'm keeping what I have, but I want to acknowledge it because it's there. I mean, when you have such a cold, dry air mass, and if I go here to look at the water vapor, you can see our storm right here. But see this little storm up here? Not little storm. This is the old storm from Boston, the one that gave blizzard conditions. It's really acting as a block to this storm down here. It's creating a lot of confluence right here, which is causing high pressure to hold pretty strong here. And the high pressure is really resisting the storm. So you're going to have a big, basically, boundary set up where the storm can't move any further north. And a lot of models today shifted south. Now, all winter, models have been shifting north. You guys saw that. And then the one time I try to anticipate the models shifting north, they shift south. So, I've had a hard time this year with these storms. These models have just been so tough to analyze. They're all different. The European's not performing like it used to. The GFS has its great days that it completely misses storms like it did with the storm a couple days back, where it had nothing even close to the precipitation that fell down in New Jersey. So this is what's going on now. Let's take a look at the models real quick. This right now I'm going to show you is the most bullish model. It's WRF-ARW. It's a mesoscale model. Again, guys, don't get too excited looking at this because it's the only hope you have if you want to see over an inch of snow up here right now. You can see it brings in pretty decent high ratio snows coming in by, say, 4 or 5 o'clock Tuesday morning, and it keeps those going until you get to, say, about 10 o'clock and brings them out. So you can see here it comes in tonight. So there's snow breaking out in New Jersey, by, say, 3 o'clock, okay? Then it comes through. Now, on the flip side, let's take a look at the NAM, and that's what most models look like right now. So if we look at the, let's go here to the regular NAM. You see the NAM, okay, brings snow in, but you can see it's developing. This isn't even falling to the ground up here. And notice this big high, right? And again, like I just showed you a second ago, this storm is helping enforce that high in place. So it's applying brutally cold air, but it's blocking the storm a little too much. And you can see the NAM says, look, it's going to snow, but it's going to be very light up here. Yes, high ratios, but say we get 0.2 of an inch of liquid, that's 4 inches of snow. So again, that would save my forecast to a certain extent, but we need at least 3 inches up here. We need the 5 to 8 down here, which I think we can get. I think we can get that down here, so I'm not worried about that. My biggest concern, like I said, is up here in New Jersey, but the NAM takes this through, and it's out of here in the morning as well. So here's what I have from last night, 1 to 3. That's good for most of this part. This 1 to 3 you might actually, I'm not changing it, but from what I'm seeing, latest observations might have to come down to like right here. And this 3 to 6 is pushed south. 5 to 8, I like that here. I think that's going to fall. So it could be a partially busted forecast. We don't know yet. I just want to be honest with you guys. Looking up here, this was taken at 6:05. You can see in my backyard, we had a temperature of 18. Now it's 17. Okay, humidity of 38. Now it's 41 with a dew point of -3. Now it's -2. So a very, very dry air mass in place. We'll see how that saturates tonight. Thanks for checking in, guys. We'll see how this works out tonight. I'm sticking to my guns for now, but I want to acknowledge what's going on.